Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Chill on you too. Robots come in many shapes and sizes, but perhaps the most intriguing, endearing, and acceptable ones are the ones that resemble us, humans. Humanoid robots are used for research, space exploration, personal assistance, entertainment, rescue, manufacturing, and if you've seen our other videos, brown chicken, brown cow. Alright, as artificial intelligence continues to mature, we are seeing a corresponding growth in sophistication for humanoid robots and the application for digital human beings in many aspects of modern life today. In this video, we've pulled together some of the best examples of humanoid robots. Here are the 5 best male humanoid robots. Let's get started! We bet you guys will be shocked to see the 4th robot on this list. Number 5. Romeo. 1.5 meters tall, weighing in at 36 kilograms, capable of recognizing faces, walking and grasping objects. Please meet Romeo. The Now robot's cousin, Romeo could be seen as the logical next step from the Now robot, which was already capable of getting around on its own under real conditions, interacting with its environment and communicating with humans. Romeo really has been designed to assist people in their daily lives and able to carry out actions such as opening a door or picking up an object from the table. Hey Romeo, can you pass the salt? Fitted with 2 cameras in its eyebrows allowing it to measure distances, Romeo is equipped with 4 computers to manage its sight, hearing, movement, and artificial intelligence. Romeo incorporates the massive innovations required for its future role as a personal assistant. Its primary role will be to help with everyday tasks, like noting and remembering appointments or medications to be taken, compiling a shopping list, and finding lost spectacles. Number 4. THR3. Introducing THR3, Toyota's 3rd generation humanoid robot, designed and developed to explore how torque servo module technology can improve joint control, whole body coordination, and real remote manipulation. The torque servo modules in the robot's joints enable highly flexible movement so it can perform complex actions smoothly. THR3 was designed to help society by creating friendly and helpful robots that can coexist with people and support them in their daily lives. THR3 is controlled by a master maneuvering system that connects the operator to the robot. Visit the THR3 website to find out how. Number 3. Honda Asimo. Asimo stands for Advanced Step in Innovative Mobility. The first robot to walk on 2 legs, Asimo can, among other things, recognize multiple moving objects, determine the distance and direction of the objects, interpret voice commands and human gestures like a wave or a handshake, and autonomously navigate thanks to sensors within its body. It stands at 4 feet 3 inches tall and weighs 119 pounds and can operate for an hour off of a rechargeable 51.8 volt lithium-ion battery. Over the years, Asimo played soccer with President Obama, won over Kelly Ripa, had a dancing group, and had some clumsy moments like this terrible fall while trying to walk up a flight of stairs. Ouch! Number 2. Atlas. Atlas is a humanoid robot that can not only walk on 2 legs, but can do a surprisingly elegant gymnastics routine, tumbling into a handstand, followed by cartwheels, and on good days, a jump twist. This level of athleticism is incredibly impressive, given that this is a 330-pound robot that could barely walk in 2013, when the prototype was first developed. Atlas's movement in this routine is at once incredibly human-like and also something beyond human, especially when it turtles in preparation for its first somersault. Parkour! But can it do the plank challenge? Number 1. Kawada HRP4. Japan is still upgrading its HRP series of humanoid servants. The latest prototype, HRP4, can stand on 1 leg, strike a pose, and generally look cool. HRP4 stands nearly 5 feet tall and has 34 moving joints, with 7 in each arm, as well as fingers. It can move more precisely than earlier HRP models. Each arm has a load capacity of about 1 pound. All joint motors are less than 80 watts for design safety. A compact notebook computer can be installed in HRP's 4 back to increase onboard data processing. Kawada and AIST have previously shown off how HRP bots can be useful around the house, wielding power tools and pouring drinks. Can I get a mimosa, please? This video will self-destruct in… just kidding. We hope you really enjoy the 5 best advanced male humanoid robots of 2020. Thanks for watching, but before you go, subscribe, like, and share this video, and don't forget, hit that bell icon to check out more interesting videos made just for you.